Why do we still face the threat of serious illnesses even though science and medicine is so advanced? Research shows that most illnesses can be prevented. That is why we now take care of our diet and exercise, but at the same time we still neglect our sleep, which is just as important. Research by the Sleep Society of United States of America shows that the percentage of death of people who sleep less than 4 hours a day is 180% higher than those who sleep 7 to 8 hours a day. Even though 1/3 of our day is spent sleeping, we are not willing to use 1/10 of our income to buy a mattress that will give us quality sleep. Quality sleep reduces tiredness, increases mental alertness, body resistance and growth, and enhances physical beauty. Even though people are aware of the importance of sleep, they are still unaware of the importance of a mattress. Everyone has different considerations when buying a mattress. Some look at the price, softness, material, or finishing of the mattress. Actually, we should choose a mattress that suits our bodily needs, instead of forcing our body to adapt to the mattress that we buy. How does an unsuitable mattress cause chronic illnesses? If our body does not get good support when we sleep, our body might not be in the correct position, resulting to constant pressure on our nerves. This will cause our organs not to function properly. To solve this problem, we must choose a suitable mattress. Research shows that 80% of chronic illnesses such as backache, numbness, headaches, and insomnia are caused by pressure on the nerves. What type of mattress frees us from health problems? Medical research has proven that waterbeds give a balance to our bone structure and reduces pressure on our muscles, as well as better blood circulation because sleeping afloat gives full support to our whole body. When we sleep on a mattress, pressure is concentrated on certain parts such as the head, shoulders, hips, calves, and heels. Therefore, these parts have to withstand extra pressure. Each body part can withstand pressure of 35 mm mercury. When we sleep on a conventional mattress, our body parts are forced to withstand pressure of up to 80 mm mercury. This causes the blood not to circulate at the areas that have to withstand extra pressure. Sleeping on a waterbed, pressure on each body part is no more than 25 mm mercury. This is the vast difference between a waterbed and conventional mattress. A patient lying on a mattress for long periods easily gets bed sores because pressure on the body causes cells to die. Nevertheless, research by Joseph Timmis, Paul Harper and Joyce Rocco from the Medical College of Maryland University has proven the benefits of waterbeds for patients with bed sores. Many people have the wrong perception of waterbeds. The information here will give you the correct perception of waterbeds. Now, OCA Health mattresses give you healthier, more hygienic and comfortable sleep. Apart from sleeping healthy, it is also important to many people to have a hygienic mattress. Unfortunately, Malaysia's damp weather enables the breeding of dust mites on all mattresses. Airing the mattress in the sun is not beneficial. In fact, it encourages dust mites to breed. Dust samples collected from buildings by local researchers have shown a shocking discovery. Each gram of dust contains 10,000s of dust mites. Dust mites are microorganisms that cannot be seen with the naked eye. It is only as big as 0.02 to 0.03 millimeter. The skin that we shed every day is able to feed millions of dust mites. Dust mites' excrement is the cause of illnesses such as asthma, eczema, respiratory problems, and breathlessness. The use of OCA Health mattress can avoid the threat of dust mites because its cover can be cleaned easily and will not smell. A mattress that is too soft or too hard is not suitable for healthy and comfortable sleep. Therefore, OCA Health mattress changed the structure and materials of the mattress necessary for healthy sleep. That is why the mattress will never sag. The use of OCA Health mattress will give sound and comfortable sleep because it not only reduces pressure to the body, but it also improves blood circulation, as well as reduces movement of body parts during sleep. This is how our body will get complete rest. Another special feature of the OCA Health Mattress is it has a heating device and the temperature can be changed according to the preference of the user from 24 degrees up to 38 degrees. The user can determine the softness of the OCA Health Mattress. Each mattress can have different softness to support different body weight. Who needs the OCA Health Mattress? Many people whose priority is health can get complete rest sleeping on an OCA Health Mattress. According to reports by the University Hospital, waterbeds are beneficial to patients with bone structure problems, bed sores, rheumatism, backache, insomnia, neurosis, muscular aches, etc. OCA Health Mattress with its controllable temperature improves blood circulation, which reduces their pain. Medical research shows that waterbeds can reduce backaches, headaches and constipation for pregnant women. It is also suitable for people who work long hours, growing teenagers and children to sleep on waterbeds. Waterbeds can also bring a husband and wife closer.
我本身有这个睡觉的时候有睡到有时候不小心会弄到颈项扭到的问题咯。自从我使用 OCA 水枕头之後，這個問題就完全的改善了咯。
OCA 保健床俾我瞓到好舒服，好涼爽。
I used to have a backache problem. Once I bought this OCA waterbed, now I feel very soothed.
我睡了不會風澀，不會腰酸骨痛。
用了 OCA 保健床，讓我覺得有一種清新涼爽的感覺，讓我每天都充滿着希望。
凡有類熱喜好者，夜晚睡不安寧，就常會引起心煩不安全身骨頭酸痛，而導致我們失眠。我建議睡此保健床，它能清熱散火，調節我們的體溫，對調理保健有很好的改善療效。
歐美許多的專家都把睡眠擺在健康3大要素的第一位，所以正確的睡姿及酣熟的睡眠對健康有很大的益處。如果可以好好的利用水的流動性及浮力，然後就可以將身體的重量分配到床的各個角落，那就可以達到優質的睡眠了。
OCA Health Mattress lasts longer compared to conventional mattress. Its lifespan is 20 years because it is made of high-quality PVC. After-sales services will assist yearly in cleaning and maintaining the softness of the mattress. Besides that, we also provide other daily needs such as water pillows, car seat covers, office chair covers, water sofas, etc. OCA also provides special design services according to customers' preference. A good and sound sleep depends on quality, not the hours you sleep. Therefore, to reduce tiredness, a good night's sleep is important. OCA always gives you a healthy, hygienic and comfortable sleep.